we are very, very satisfied with the development. We have growth about 30% comparing with the last event in 2022. And we have a large number of exhibitors, 950, which are coming all over the world. So India as woodworking country is very important for the world, and therefore IndiaWood is the right place to be.
Yeah, and speaking for the German pavilion, we actually had a much higher demand from companies from Germany. So what you see here is actually, we could have had a lot more companies exhibiting. The demand was much higher. But for now, we have 27 companies here exhibiting directly, and in total it's 33 companies split up into 2 halls. So we have in Hall 5 another stand for the materials sector, and here the machinery sector, and in total it's around about 900 square meters. So I think the number alone just kind of states what the IndiaWood means to the German woodworking industry.